Namaskar, friends. Healing. We all go through tough experiences in life, difficult situations in life. We need to learn to heal ourselves. There's a beautiful statement. They say, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. I repeat, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. The divinity, the God principle, that energy, nature, or whatever name you call it, has bestowed a phenomenal gift to each one of us. Regardless of where you are, what you possess, divinity has bestowed one of the most profound, valuable gifts to each one of us. That is our mind space. What you fill in that mind space is your choice. It could be a bouquet of flowers, a garden of flowers, or it could be a container of acid. What you fill in that is your choice. That's why I'm saying, let's understand, no single person, no single incident, no single experience should sit in your mind space and continue to disturb your peace and tranquility. I can understand there will be tough times, challenges and difficulties. If there's anyone or any experience which is difficult and we are not able to manage, let them exist outside of your mind space. Do not allow their existence in your mind and allow them to continue to disturb your peace and tranquility. Friends, can we take this pledge? Let us put our peace, tranquility, contentment and happiness above anything and everything. Whether your mind is a garden of flowers or a container of acid is your choice. That's why let's use our intellect, let's supervise our mind, let's have all emotions, but let's not become emotional. That is why I'm saying, once you use your intellect and deal with your mind, you will start the process of healing. Friends, you are healing when you decide your past pain doesn't determine your future worth. You are healing when you trust the universe will replace what is lost with something spectacular, something extraordinary. You are healing when you know that your capacity of acceptance is far greater than someone else's shortcomings, someone else's self-centeredness. Friends, you are healing when you rise in love with who you are and what you can contribute in this world, the legacy you can leave behind in this world. You are healing when you understand that your happiness is non-negotiable and no one has a say, has a right on your state of mind, on your happiness. You are healing when you continuously work on yourself and you are joyful and proud of how far you have reached, how much challenges you have overcome. You are healing when you decide that the most difficult aspects of your life are the most empowering experiences of your life. I repeat, you are healing when you understand the most difficult aspects of your life are the most empowering experiences of your life. Friends, it's my promise that you can heal yourself. Try it. Allow the magic to manifest. Let's heal ourselves from all that has happened and let us be this renewed and glorious individual ready to face any challenge in life. Try it, friends. Thank you.